Hello. Right, we are going to kick off again with a really cute little Christmas design. So I just have 3 coats of steel pearl, it's a Flirty's colour, on this, and a layer top coat. And I'm just giving it a little buff over because I'm going to give it a little paint now in a minute with some acrylic to make a really cute little snowman. An acrylic paint likes a rough surface to stick to, so I'm just giving it a light little buff. I have 3 layers of steel pearl on just in case I happen to buff through my top coat, just to protect the colour so I don't buff all the way through to the tip. So let me just see if I can zoom in a little bit. I can. Right, so we're going to start off with a little bit of white. So I'm just squeezing a little bit of white here. And I'm going to take one of my brushes and get a little bit of water mixed in there. Normally I have a little palette with a sponge with some damp paper and stuff in it, but I forgot to bring home my painting palette from the salon, so I'm literally just using a piece of paper and making the paint really wet. So, okay. What we're going to start off by doing is painting a big round head. I've been working on my Christmas nail art class for the last 2 days, so that will hopefully be launching by the weekend. I think there's 11 really cute designs in it. And I couldn't leave this guy out. Wait till you see how cute he is. So I'm literally painting a big circle and colouring him in. And then I'm going to give him little shoulders. Now, so I need his little body to dry for me before I do anything else. I'm going to make his body a little bit wider. His head is too wide for his body. There we go, that looks better. Okay. And I'm just going to give that a second while I clean my brush. Okay, so I need a grey. So I'm going to squeeze out a little bit of black. And a little bit of white. And I'm going to mix the 2 of them together. And I'm going to pop some water in there as well. Get them nice and fluid. Okay. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush this time because I need to be a little bit more precise about where I'm painting. And I'm going to pick up some of my grey. And I'm going to draw a little line across his head, just above his head. And then down onto his forehead a little bit. And I'm going to colour that in. And that's going to be the brim of his hat. And then I'm going to do a little diagonal line up there, and another little diagonal line in the opposite direction. And a little curved line at the top. And I'm going to colour that in for his hat. I love Christmas. Christmas nail art is like my favourite type of nail art. Oh, sorry, I just hit it in the camera. Yeah, and I need that to dry for me as well. So I'm just going to clean my brush. I'm going to get my next little layer of white on, if this will let me do it without smudging the previous layer. And his body. I'm definitely having a snowman on my nails this Christmas. I say that every year and I never have a snowman on my nails, but this year I'm making it happen. Okay. Let's leave him down there for a minute to dry. Yeah, so I'm going to need some black next. So I'm going to squeeze out a little blob of black. And I'm also going to need some red. And so I'm going to get my water mixed into these. So they are ready to go. And into the red. I'm going to need pink as well actually, so I'm going to pop a little bit of white there. And I'm just going to pick up a little bit of this red and mix it into that white. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of black. And I'm going to draw in a little mouth. If the paint is dry enough to let me. And inside his little mouth, I'm going to fill it with a little bit of red paint. Okay. Now then I'm going to get black again. And I'm going to draw, actually, I'm going to take my dotting tool first with some black. And I'm going to do a dot on either side, a big enough dot. And then kind of pattern my dotting tool twice, one up and one down. Yeah, then I'm going to take black and I'm going to draw him a little stone-shaped nose. Now you can draw a carrot nose in here if you want to. Look at my little stone-shaped nose. And I need to mix up a little bit of a brown. So I'm going to take my brown and a decent blob of white. pick up some of my brown and put it in the white. Give it a good mix together and get a good decent blob of water in there. Now and then with that, out of the corner of his little mouth, I'm going to draw a little pipe. So he has a little pipe, and when his pipe is dry now in a couple of minutes, we're going to go over it, or go around it with a little outline. Now I'm going to take a fresh little bead of white. See how quickly my paint is drying because I don't have the damp sponge underneath the page. I was supposed to get it today when I was in the salon and I completely forgot to. And I'm just going to go over his body one more time. Okay. So what we're going to do next then is we are going to do his little eyes. So we've got our little black line, or our little black dots on there. And what I want to do is I want to pick up my white and I'm going to go inside those little black dots that we drew. And I'm going to give him big white eyes so that it ends up with like a black outline rather than black eyes. See the way he has a little black outline now? And I'm going to give that a second to dry. And then we'll give him little black beads for his eyes. So if I go back to my other brush, I can pick up some black. And I can start to outline his hat. And remember, don't panic if you can see brush strokes, because the brush strokes will disappear once you top coat. So going right around his hat. Okay. And then I'm going to do a little line across here on his hat. And I'm going to colour that in black, just to change his hat up a little bit. Now, I'm going to take my smaller dotting tool and a fresh bead of black. I'm going to give him a little eyeball here and another little eyeball here. Okay. And if you want to brighten up his nose a little bit as well, you can pop a little dot. to the center of his nose. So I need to get some water into that bit of black now. Sorry, I just needed to get another brush there. The bristles on the other brush is split on me. And I'm just outlining this little pipe. Now, so I'm going to give this little head an outline. And drag his outline down into his body very slightly. And then we'll outline the rest of his body. I'm hungry, my hands are shaking. Okay. Now, so I'm going to take a small dotting tool. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of black. And I'm going to give him two little buttons. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint 5 little leaves on his hat. And I'm going to squeeze out a little blob of yellow. Take my small dotting tool, pick up a little bead of yellow, and I'm going to pop it in the middle of my flower. Now, so if I then take the same dotting tool again and do little white dots all around my snowman. Okay, and that is pretty much your snowman done. We just need him to dry so then we can top coat him. How cute is he? Isn't he super cute? Alright, let's get him top coated. So yeah, if anybody wants any more info on the Christmas nail art class, let me know. Oh, look how cute he is! Oh my god, he's adorable. And there you have your super cute snowman! Look at him! Awesome! Well, thank you guys for watching. And I promise, now that I have my new space set up, I will be live more often doing more nail art techniques. Yeah, I really like him. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye!